Check Point Certified Maestro Expert. R81, CCME. 156 to 836 exam dumps are useful for you to study all the related topics. Share some updated Check Point 156 to 836 exam dumps here. 1. Which step does a Citrix administrator need to take to enable Citrix XML Service Trust for user access within a Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktops infrastructure? A. Enable XML Service Trust using the Storefront console. B. Run the set broker site trust requests sent to the XML service port $true PowerShell command from within a virtual delivery agent (VDA) machine. C. Run the set broker site trust requests sent to the XML service port $true PowerShell command from within a controller. D. Configure the appropriate XML service trust settings using HDX policy within Citrix Studio. 2. Which 3 Citrix virtual desktop site components are managed by Citrix, when using Citrix Cloud as the hosting platform? Choose 3. A. Applications and desktops. B. Hypervisor. C. License server. D. Site database. E. Delivery controller. 3. How can a Citrix administrator guarantee the availability of resource locations in a Citrix Cloud deployment? A. Deploy at least 2 cloud connectors for each resource location and load balance them using Citrix ADC. B. Deploy at least 2 cloud connectors for each resource location. C. Convert one cloud connector to a template and deploy it when another cloud connector goes down. D. Deploy one cloud connector in each resource location. 4. How can a Citrix administrator enable the ability to monitor application failures for desktop OS machines running the Virtual Delivery Agent (VDA)? A. By installing an application probe agent on the desktop OS VDA machines. B. By entering a PowerShell command on a delivery controller. C. By upgrading to premium licenses. D. By configuring a Citrix policy. 5. Which 3 policy settings can a Citrix administrator configure to improve HDX session performance for high latency, low bandwidth user connections? Choose 3. A. Maximum number of sessions. B. View window contents while dragging. C. CPU usage. D. Target frame rate and color depth. E. Limit video quality. F. Application launch wait timeout. 6. A user calls the help desk and states that launching a pooled random desktop takes as long as 5 minutes. Which Citrix Director report can a Citrix administrator review to find out what might be causing the delay? A. Resource utilization. B. Connection failures. C. Logon performance. D. Load evaluators. 7. A Citrix administrator is in the process of installing Citrix Cloud Connector, but the installation fails. What could be causing the Citrix Cloud Connector installation to fail on the machine? A. It is in sync with UTC time instead of local time. B. Enhanced Security Configuration (ESC) is set to off. C. It cannot run on a machine template cloned across multiple machines. D. It is not joined to the domain. 8. On which 2 components must the Secure Ticket Authority (STA) server locations be configured if a Citrix administrator wants to configure secure external access to a Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktop site? Choose 2. A. Citrix Workspace App. B. Citrix Gateway. C. Delivery Controller. D. Storefront. E. Virtual Delivery Agent, VDA. 9. After creating a new machine catalog using the Machine Creation Services MCS wizard in Citrix Studio, a Citrix administrator determines that Windows activation fails for all new machines in that catalog. Which two conditions can cause this to happen? Choose 2. A. The base image rearm count has been exceeded. B. The Microsoft license server is unreachable. C. The version of Windows installed uses multiple activation key (MAC) licensing. D. The version of Windows installed is Windows Server 2012 R2. 10. What is the minimum built-in delegated administration role required to create an application group? A. Host administrator. B. Delivery group administrator. C. Help desk administrator. D. Machine catalog administrator.